How to delete a WhatsApp group without the members knowing. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Find and open the group chat you want to delete from here. Once you're here, tap on Group Info. After that, you can view your group info and manage the group chat settings. Now scroll down to the end and tap on Exit Group. Tap on Exit Group again to confirm. Only group admins will be notified that you left the group. You have now successfully left and deleted this group chat from WhatsApp. You can repeat the same to leave other group chats on WhatsApp. Following these steps, you can delete a WhatsApp group without the members knowing. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.